Here's how to talk about sleep and sleeping in Igbo using three simple structures. Number one, dash, na-ehi ụra. Dash is sleeping. M na-ehi ụra. I am sleeping. Ọ na-ehi ụra. He or she is sleeping. Ha na-ehi ụra. They are sleeping. 2. Dash, na-ehi ụra. Is dash sleeping? Are dash sleeping? Ị na-ehi ụra? Are you sleeping? Ọ na-ehi ụra? Is he or she sleeping? Ha na-ehi ụra? Are they sleeping? And our final phrase is, Gịnị ka dash na-eme? What is dash doing? Gịnị ka dash na-eme? Gịnị ka ị na-eme? What are you doing? Gịnị ka ọ na-eme? What is he doing? What is she doing? Gịnị ka ha na-eme? What are they doing? And to answer this, we'll come back to number one. Dash na-ehi ụra. M na-ehi ụra. Ọ na-ehi ụra. Ha na-ehi ụra. And you should check the caption for other ways of using these structures in Igbo language. Quick question. If someone said to you, Ndo, ị na-ehi ụra? Sorry, are you sleeping? How would you say, No, I am not sleeping? Leave in a comment, and as always, come back tomorrow for more.